Okay, Jamie White, this is just one example of what is coming in that is going to look very bad for Courtney Clenny. Would you talk to us, please, about defense strategy on this one? How you might shape it, what you might do, like the creative argument, like they told me about, well, look, she doesn't want him going into the apartment. She's trying to get the key in that elevator video. How might you fashion her defense, please?
So I'll start with the second clip. I think that at least you can make the argument, and some of the statements she made, like I believe she said, would you stop with the act? We've seen this time and time again where people, secretly or, publicly tape someone and, set them up and ask self-serving questions. Would you please stop hitting me and these sorts of things. So the second video, I think, if it becomes admissible, it's arguably self-serving and clearly something that he knew that he was creating a tape for that particular incident. The elevator incident, I seen defense attorneys a couple of weeks ago discussing this in detail, and I don't blame them for taking exception for the prosecutors releasing this portion of the video, if in fact it purports to be what they say it is. And if I recall, it's their position that she was trying to keep him out of the elevator initially, where, again, as you indicated, it only goes to her home. And it was when he was able to gain access to the elevator, the inside of the elevator is where she went ballistic. So, if that in fact is what the video is going to show its entirety, that's a very different look than is being provided publicly. I think to your point with CK, I think a lot of this is going to boil down to the lawyering. As a general rule, character evidence, prior bad acts doesn't come in. There's a million exceptions when it comes to domestic violence, though.
Right. You're right, Jamie, which I wouldn't be surprised if some of this stuff comes up in the status hearing today, because